హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ 7th లెసన్ సెపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టాన్స్ నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఏ మెథడ్ ఫర్ రిమూవింగ్ హస్క్ ఫ్రమ్ గ్రెయిన్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ హ్యాండ్ పికింగ్, ఆప్షన్ బి విన్నోవింగ్, ఆప్షన్ సి సెడిమెంటేషన్, ఆప్షన్ డి డికాంటేషన్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ విన్నోవింగ్. Second question, an insoluble substance in a liquid can be separated by option A hand picking, option B sieving, option C sedimentation, option D chromatography. Correct answer is sedimentation. Third question, if a mixture has light and heavy substances, we use A hand picking, option B winnowing, option C decantation, option D filtration. Correct answer is winnowing. Fourth question, salt and camphor mixtures can be separated by A filtration, B distillation, C sublimation, D sedimentation. Correct answer is sublimation. Fifth question, tea leaves are separated from tea by A sieve, B strainer, C sedimentation, D none of the above. Correct answer is strainer. And sixth question, the mud particles which settle down at the bottom of a gas are called option A filtration, option B mud, option C sediment, option D sieve. Correct answer is sediment. Seventh question, what property helps in separation the husk from grains? Option A winnowing, option B hand picking, option C sieving, option D filtration. Correct answer is winnowing. Eighth question, the stones are separated from pulses and rice by A sieving, B winnowing, C filtration, D hand picking. Correct answer is hand picking. And ninth question, the mixture of common salt and camphor is separated by sublimation, evaporation, filtration, and D sedimentation. Correct answer is sublimation. And 10th question, the compounds of solution are separated by A decantation, B filtration, C evaporation, D sedimentation. Correct answer is evaporation. And 11th question, the process used for separating grains from stalk is called A sieving, B decanting, C winnowing, D threshing. Correct answer is threshing. And 12th question, pebbles and stones are removed from sand by A sieving, B winnowing, C decanting, D threshing. Correct answer is sieving. And 13th question, which of the following method used to separate two miscible liquids? A sieving, B winnowing, C separating funnel, D sublimation. Correct answer is C separating funnel. Thanks for watching.